that huge flag, it is about time for us to do our national anthem. And so when I call for it, I'm going to ask wherever you are to stop what you're doing within the sound of my voice, remove your caps, come to attention, please stand, and as we get down to about 1,800 feet, we'll do our national anthem. Paul McCowan is flying the American flag in. He's a former Green Beret. He's from Mason, Ohio, right near Cincinnati. The POWMIA flag, also over 1,000 square feet. Chuck Hammond is flying the POWMIA flag, and in trail with video with a red smoke is Joey Freeman, the E-Team Skydivers. Paul McCowan won a Valley Forge Freedom Foundation Award for flying in an even larger flag to the gathering of Mustangs and Legends. A video that was viewed by over 3.5 million people. Now, ladies and gentlemen,